Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install WAMP Server 3.3.2 in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, In properties, go to the system type. If system type is 32-bit, then that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, then that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. After that, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Here type WAMP Server and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the WAMP Server. WampServer.com official website of the WAMP Server. Open the first link. This is our WAMP Server official website. Scroll down and here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. In downloads we find two options, WAMP Server 64 bits and WAMP Server 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit operating system. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit operating system. My machine is 64-bit operating system, so I go to the 64-bit operating system. Click at here download. Click at here and here we find this form. You can accept this form and directly go to the you can download it directly. And here we find one warning. Scroll down. Here we find one warning. Click at here Microsoft link. Click at this Microsoft link. It's redirect you to the another page. So I back and open it in the new tab and click at their download. Click at this download and my machine is 64-bit operating system, so I go to this 64-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 86. And if you're using ARM processor, then go to the ARM. I'm using 64-bit, then I go to the 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, then go to the 86. Click at download, and our download is started. It took few seconds. Click at here downloads. Go to the show in folder. Minimize it. Drag this to desktop. Close it. Double click on it. Click on I agree. Click on install. Click on yes. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Close it. Our download is successfully complete. Close it. After that, go to the Google Chrome once again. Close it. And once again, go to this WAMP Server site. And here we find download WAMP Server. Don't fill this form. Directly go to the you can download it directly. Click at here. And it's redirect you to the another page, and in few seconds our download is started, so wait for few seconds. Our download is started. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed now. Go to the downloads. Here we find our file. Click on show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Minimize our web browser. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our software. Double click on our WAMP server or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the English or go with the another language. I go with the English. Here we find terms and condition. Accept the agreement. Click on accept the agreement. Click on the next. Here we find many options. Go to the next. And we find one error and we are going to solve this error. This is a very simple error. Close it or OK. And drag this to the bottom. On bottom, we find one link, WAMP server. Click at here. And this link is open in your web browser. Here scroll down and go to the bottom of the page. On the bottom of the page, we find all VC packages. 86 means 32-bit and 64-bit. Click at here. And it's download one file. Here is our file and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we go to the download, install this software. Our download is completed now. Go to the here, show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Go to the here. Unzip this zip file. This file is many packages. Click on extract all. Click on extract. Here we find our all packages. Close it. Here is our folder. I double click on it and here is our all packages. Once again, go to the setup and click on the next. And here we find not install packages. VC 86, 2010 86, 2012 86. Install this all. So I go to the first 2010. So I find 2010 86, 2010 86. This is our package. Double click on it. Click on the yes. Click on the I have read accept and terms and condition. Click on install. Yes, it's installed now. Now go to the next package, VC 2012 86. 2012 86. Here we find 2012 86. Double click on it. Accept. Agree the terms and condition. Click on the install. Click on the yes. Close it. Go to the third 2013 86. 2013 86. Accept. Install it. Click on yes. Close it. PC 2022 86. 2022 86. Accept the terms and condition. Click on install. Click on yes. Close it. Now go to the next VC 2010. VC 2010 86. Next 64. 2010 64. Finish. 2013 64. 2013 64. Agree. Install. Click on yes. Last is 2022 64. I install all packages. Basically, search for your packages name, and install these packages from here. Go to the here. Okay, now I install all that are not installed on my machines are installed by me. Now go to the next option or cancel it. Yes, restart your machine. Go to the start power button and restart your machine. Restarting our machine is very IMP. After machine is restart, go to the WAMP server. Right click on the WAMP server once again. Go to the run as administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the English. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Click on the next. Here we find C and our folder name. Go with the next. It's installing our packages or our software to our machine. It takes few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. It's set Edge as our browser. I like it, so I click on the no. It's go with the Notepad as our default browser or the default text editor. Default text editor. I go with the no, and it's automatically detect our Notepad and Edge as our default. It's a few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds also. Our WAMP server is now installed. Click on the next. Click on the finish. Here we find our shortcut. Double click on our shortcut or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Run as an administrator is IMP. Click on the yes. Now first time it's installing or starting our WAMP server. It takes few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. It's starting first time. Okay, now it's perfectly running. Now go to the taskbar. Here we find our WAMP server. If it's green, then all okay. Our WAMP server is perfectly running on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Now we go to the test. It is running or not. Go to the any web browser and here type localhost. And if you see this kind of the page, that means your WAMP server is perfectly running in Windows 10. Now we check it is working with our PHP or not. I go to this PC. I open the C drive. Go to WAMP 64 and go to the www. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. I go to the www. Here we find index file. This is our page. This page is our index file, and we create one folder at this point. Go to the right click on it. Go to the new folder, and I give the my PHP. And go to the desk folder. You can create any folder here, any folder name at this point. I create one file. You can create any file that you want. I go to the right click on it and go to the new and text document. And here I create a file name test PHP. And if you not find here the extension, then go to view, and here we find file name extension. Then it's not showing your file name extension. Go to the view and click at here file name extension. Then it show a file name extension. Right click on it and go to the rename and go to the back and change it to the .php. Click at here, click on the yes, and right click on this page. And edit with, right click on this page and open with more apps and edit with the Notepad or Notepad++ or any text editor. Click on OK, and I type here my first PHP page or PHP code and echo with the my name and save it. Close this page. Go to the browser, any browser. After localhost, I space or go with the slash and type my test. This is the my folder name. Okay, what is the my folder name? My PHP. And here we find one file. I click on this test.php and here we find our PHP. PHP is 110% work with our WAMP server. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install WAMP server on Windows 10 PC or laptop by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.